أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وأما القاسطون فكانوا لجهنم حطبا. And as to those who stood back and chose otherwise, they will become fuel for hellfire. وَأَن لَّوِ اسْتَقَامُوا عَلَى الطَّرِيقَةِ لَأَسْقَيْنَاهُم مَّاءً غَدَقًا. And now should the people who hear the message, hold on to the correct guidance, we would bestow on them abundance of water to drink from. لنفتنهم فيه ومن يعرض عن ذكر ربه يسلكه عذابا صعدا. As a trial, otherwise whoever disdains from celebrating the praises of his Lord, we will expose him to an ever-growing insurmountable suffering. وأن المساجد لله فلا تدعوا مع الله أحدا. Mosques are sacred and dedicated exclusively to the sovereign Lord. Therefore call upon no one besides Allah therein. وَأَنَّهُ لَمَّا قَامَ عَبْدُ اللَّهِ يَدْعُوهُ قَادُوا يَكُونُونَ عَلَيْهِ لِبَدًا. And when Allah's servant stood up to call upon him, a dense crowd of jinn rushed into the masses, leaning tightly on top of each other to listen. قل إنما أدعو ربي ولا أشرك به أحدا. Say to the people, I surely call upon my Lord and I associated no one with him. قل إني لا أملك لكم ضرا ولا رشدا. Say, I have no such means of my own to cause harm or to endow you the correct balanced rationale. قل إني لن يجيرني من الله أحد ولن أجد من دونه ملتحدا. Say, truly no one can deliver me from Allah if I were to disobey Him, nor can I find refuge except in Him. إِلَّا بَلَاغًا مِّنَ اللَّهِ وَرِسَالَتِهِ وَمَنْ يَعْصِ اللَّهَ وَرَسُولَهُ فَإِنَّ لَهُ نَارَ جَهَنَّمَ خَالِدِينَ فِيهَا أَبَدًا. Unless I transmit what I receive from Allah and deliver His message, while whoever disobeys Allah and His Messenger will dwell eternally in hellfire. حتى إذا رأوا ما يوعدون فسيعلمون من أضعف ناصرا وأقل عددا. At length, and once they see with their own eyes the promised warning, they will certainly know who has the weakest of supporters and who is least important in number. قل إني أدري قريب ما توعدون أم يجعل له ربي أمدا. Say to them, I do not know whether what you are promised will happen soon or if my Lord will delay it for a while. عالم الغيب فلا يظهر على غيبه أحدا. He is the one who knows the hidden future and He does not disclose it to anyone. إِلَّا مَنْ ارْتَضَى مِنْ رَسُولٍ فَإِنَّهُ يَسْلُكُ مِنْ بَيْنِ يَدَيْهِ وَمِنْ خَلْفِهِ رَصَدًا. Except for a messenger He endorses and is pleased with, for whom He will assign vigilant guards to walk in front of Him and behind Him. ليعلم أن قد أبلغوا رسالات ربهم وأحاط بما لديهم وأحصى كل شيء عددا. To ascertain that the messengers have delivered the messages of their Lord, while He already knows what they bear and He has already accounted for everything. O my Allah Pak, O my Lord, please grant us the knowledge and wisdom of Your holy book, as well as give us the courage and confidence to apply this wholesome knowledge onto ourselves and pass it on to others. Ameen, Ya Rabbul Alameen. Thank you, my Allah Pak. Thank you, my Lord.